Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great in your material management and supply chain areas. However, you might be facing teething problems in your workplace which are awaiting solutions. Indian Institute of Material Management Kolkata Branch presents MDP Quest to address such issues. MDP Quest is focused to give you solution in supply chain management areas from experts in relevant field. Do follow us to get solutions to your problem. Click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, this is Joydeep, Senior Manager Logistics of an MNC in West Bengal. I have some query on my outbound logistics in transportation of a finished products. My main query is to know the exact mode of transportation. We know that there are 5-6 mode of transportation. There are under 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1, our customer requirement basically within the 300 kilometer on a regular requirement. Another is within same distance within 300 kilometer is one time requirement, and another is immediate requirement within that kilometer. So now I have to select the base mode of transportation, which is either road, rail, the waterways and air. And we have our own railway siding. So this is my first query. Second is, if that particular transportation is inbound, so if my supplier supplies on a ex-works basis, under the same scenario, what would be my base mode of transportation? Thank you.
Against your questions, it seems that some of the factors which plays a very vital roles. First and foremost, of course, the freight costs, and then the time taken by the transporters, whether it's rail, whether it's surface roads, or by any mode of multi-mode kind of transportation. That become a very, influencing factors. Then, in Indian scenarios, particularly in West Bengal, the availability of vehicles and rates, whatever we want to find it out, that's become a problem for all of us. So we need to find out what is the best time we can avail the vehicle on rate or rates. Then, of course, the capacity of the dispatches, that also plays a very vital role because it influences the markets, whether it's rate or it's the surface transports. And of course, the route where we are going to send it, because that backhaul plays a major role. If we asking for a particular destination where there is no backhaul, generally the transporter doesn't find any interest to avail this particular route. Other than this, definitely the current demand scenario and the situation helps or become the factors to take the influence which kind of transportation we should take. And regarding your 3 options, if it's an one-time event, to me, we should avail the surface transports because that will be much easier to avail it, and it's a one-time event, so there is no point of evaluating with others. And if it's urgent requirement, then definitely again we should say that surface transport is the best mode, provided you have that infrastructure in between. Even then, you have a railway track or facilities to load in track, because you have to indent it, you have to get that rake, then only you can use it. But right now the scenario or the environment is that there are plenty of availability of rakes, government is helping a lot, but even then there is a availability issue always. And so far this is related to your question number 1. And if you ask me what are the other major factors, it always changes on the state to state. Suppose a state like western sides and a state in eastern side, there is a difference on the infrastructure availability and the nature of the people there, because they are totally focused, totally business oriented. Whereas in eastern zone, there are some dearth. So that also influence this. And also the entire transportation modes runs on a backhaul basis. So if you get a backhaul load from any of the destination, that destination become the cream. But in eastern zone, generally what we have seen, that all people come here because this is a hub. They just unload over here, but they don't get any backhaul over here. So there is a less interest for the people to associate it in a long run. So that's my answer to this.
Hope you liked our video. IIMM Kolkata Branch will be back with more such interesting solutions soon. We would love to hear your comments down below. Till then, bye and take care.